Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Big thanks to all my amazing subscribers for your support and a warm welcome to all my new viewers. I am so glad you are here. Today I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this stylish cowl neck backless top, perfect for any occasion and super easy to make. Let's get started. So the measurement we'll be needing for this top is our neckline depth, which I'll be using this mannequin to demonstrate. The neckline depth, you measure it just like the way I'm doing it, like this. Just measure the length, how long you want the cowl neck to be. So after you've done measuring the neckline depth, what you measure next is the length of your top, is how long you want your top to. So I'll measure the length, you measure the length, then what you'll need again is the neck circumference, just like this. So you measure your neck circumference, what you have. These are the three measurements you'll be needing. So I went ahead to bring out the fabric I'm using. I'll be using this satin fabric for the project, which I had to cut it out already. I did the neck band. I'll be explaining how I did this later. I did a neckband. I also measured the I did the belt. Then I have the main bodies, which I did the depth of the measurement I took now on the mannequin. I did the neckline depth and the length of the top, just like this. I have the neckline depth from this end, which I'm using 35 inches plus 2 inches folding allowance. So that is making it 37. And I did the length as 25 plus 2 inches folding allowance, making it 27. 2 inches. The 2 inches is 1 inch on both sides. That's making it as 27. So I'll be illustrating this on the paper, how I got the full pattern. So this is the belt. I have it two. I folded it two, which I have the side. I did 3 point sorry, I did 4 inches, which by the time I take out half, I'll be having 3.5 of L3. I did 4 inches, and the length is how long you want your belt to be. It's up to you how long you want it. So at the end part of the length, I did 3 inches, which by the time I'll take out half of an inch, I'll be having 2 inches left, and 2.5, sorry. So I had to keep this aside, and this is the band for the neck band, which I did 2 inches. By the time I take out half, I'll be having 1.5 in total. So the length I have is the total length of my neck circumference plus 1 inch sewing allowance, which I did on fold. The 1.5 and the 2 inches is on fold. So this is our pattern paper. Let's assume this is our fabric. So what you do on the fabric, you make measure of, I used not up to 1 inch for the 1 yard for this. So you measure your neck depth just the way, like, then the length like this is how you get your fabric, which I have mine already. If you want to get yours, just take the measurement like so on your fabric. I used less than 1 yard of fabric, almost 1 yard. 1 yard is preferable you have 1 yard. So after this, what we'll do now is to sew. So you fold the edge of, that's the neck depth area, you fold into two. Remember we did 2 inches, one for the upper part and one for the down. So I'll be folding half of an inch like this, another half of an inch, then I'll stitch through the half of an inch. That's the folded half of an inch. I'll do the same thing on the side, that's the length side. I'll fold half of an inch, another half of an inch, then I'll stitch through. I'll be doing it all on the 4 sides of the fabric. Then after which I'll bring for us to see the outcome. So I went ahead to do the folding. I folded the sides, which I'm having it like this. I folded half of an inch, that's 1 inch on the upper part, 1 inch on the down part, making it a 2 inches allowance we left on both the side and the neck depth side, neckline depth, sorry. So after we're done doing this, this is what we'll have. What we need to do next is to attach I'll sew the band, that's the belt. So I have to sew the belt. I'll go ahead to stitch the belt by half of an inch on the side, then I'll close the edge side of the band, then turn for us. I'll bring back for us to see the result. I'll do that on both the two side of the belt. That's the two belts for the sides. Then I'll bring for us to see the finished part. So I went ahead to do that, and this was what I have. I had to press it after I was done sewing it. I also went ahead to fold the band for the neck, which I closed the sides by the half of an inch each on the sides. Then I had to iron and fold half of an inch in, just the way we do our belt for our trouser or skirts. So after I was done doing this, what I did next was I'll be placing the belt on the length part of the top. So what you do is just pick the length, any side you want to use. Just fold your belt like this. The way I'm folding it, place it on this part. You just stitch through on the upper part, just like this, down straight. You can put it under the stitched part or on top. Anyone will work fine. So just place it like this, then you stitch. Or I'll be placing mine on the side, that's on top like this. I'll stitch through. So I'll fold it half of an inch, another half of an inch, then place like this. I'll stitch. So I'll be doing this on both the two sides. I'll do it on this side and do it on the other side also. Then I'll bring for us to see. So I went ahead to do that. I stitched the belt on the down parts. This time around you can shape the back how you want it, but this I just want it straight like this. That is why you're having it like this. So after doing this, what we'll do next now is to create to stitch the band with the neckline. So you have to take the edge of the neckline like this. Bring back the band of the neck. So when you do this, you fold it into two, place and mark the center front of the band, just like the way I'm doing it like this. So when you mark the center front, you're having it like this. So what you do next is from this center front which you have, you go in by 3.5, 3.5. So from here I'll go in by 3.5, which I have. I'm just trying to measure if the both sides are equal, which they are equal. So from this center front I will measure 3.5, which I will mark like this. Then on this other side also I'll measure the same 3.5. I'll mark it like so. So what I will do next is to take the points of the top, just like the way I'm doing it now. Watch the way I'm doing it. I'll take the points like this. I'll place it on the 3.5 line, just like so. Make sure you push it in with half of an inch. Just place it like this. Then you secure with a pin, just like this. Make sure it's on the half of an inch, like half of an inch inside the band. Then you secure with a pin like so, just like this. Sorry, I have to secure this well. I have to place it in to make sure it's one half of an inch that is inside. So I have to secure with a pin like this. I'll do the same thing on the other side also. Make sure it's the center of the sewn side, this part here, that you're taking in on this the 3.5 line. Then you secure with a pin also this part. So what you do now is to take to your machine. After securing with a pin like this, you take to your machine and stitch through. You stitch from this side of your band to the other side of the band, just the way we do our band on the trouser or skirt. Just stitch like this all through. But mind you, if you get to that point which you pin, you can double stitch, so to secure it very well. So I'll go ahead to do that, then bring for us to see. So I went ahead to do that. I stitched the band, and this is what we are having. When I finish doing that, we have this, and we have, when you fold it, this is what you're having. The cowl effect is already showing on the top, which is like so. Then the back also, the belt, we have it like this, which is coming on the back side like so. You tie like this on the back, and you're having the effects on the back, like the backless is backless already. Then the front also, when you turn, you can secure with a hook and eye on the back. if you want a strap like a rope on the back, you just extend with a rope. Make sure your band is very long to tie on the back side. So this is what we're having like this. I'll wear on the mannequin for us to see. Please, if you've not followed us, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification for more videos so you'll get notified when I upload any video. Thank you so much for supporting me. So I will be wearing this on putting this on the mannequin for us to see the outcome of the top. Let me wear on the mannequin for us to see those. This is the outcome of the top. We're having it like like so. This is the cowl effect, which on the front side, and the back side also we're having it. The front, the neckline, sorry, the neckline like so. That's the strap. Depending on how wide you want it, you can create yours like so. And we have the back side like this. This is the belt we have on the back also, and this is how the top is looking. Very easy, simple to make. I don't know if you find this useful. If you do, please like, comment, share, and drop your question on the comment section. I'll gladly reply you. Thank you for watching this. See you on my next video.